Hey guys, I know it's been a little while. If you've been wondering where I've disappeared to over the past few months, I thought I'd finally sit down and tell you the story. Well, first of all, thank you. Thank you for checking in on me and for continuing to watch older videos and for sticking around even though I haven't been very active lately. That means more to me than you know. The truth is, life has been taking me in a direction I wasn't expecting. For those of you who are newer here, I've been a hairstylist for over 30 years. I've owned 4 salons, I've educated across the country, coached salon owners, and I've spent my whole career helping both clients and stylists. A few years ago, I stepped away from salon ownership, and honestly, I thought that chapter of my life was finished. But then an opportunity came along. Chris and I started talking about what it would look like to build one more salon. Not just another salon, the salon we've always wanted to create. One that puts healthy hair first. One that helps women over 40 feel beautiful and confident. One where new stylists are mentored instead of being thrown into the deep end. One with an incredible culture where people actually enjoy coming to work every day. As exciting as that sounds, it's also been a huge decision. We've spent months looking at spaces, negotiating leases, meeting with contractors, working on floor plans, crunching numbers, asking a million questions, and honestly, wondering if we're just a little crazy for doing this again. There have been moments where we've been incredibly excited, but there's also been moments where we've thought, are we really gonna do this? And that's why I stepped away for a little bit. I couldn't focus on creating videos while I'm trying to figure out one of the biggest decisions of my career. But somewhere along the way, I realized something. I was documenting all of this anyway. I was taking pictures and videos. I was saving floor plans. I was meeting with contractors. I was talking through a lot of ideas. I was making design boards, learning new things every single week. And I thought, why am I keeping all of this to myself? So instead of coming back and pretending like nothing's happened, I want to invite you along, not just for the finished salon, for the entire journey. The exciting parts, the frustrating parts, the expensive parts, and the moments where plans completely change. The victories, the mistakes, everything. Whether you're here because you love hair, because you're a hairstylist, because you've always dreamed about opening a salon, or you're just someone who enjoys watching something get built from the ground up. I hope you'll come along with me. We're going to talk about hair, of course. I'll still be sharing client transformations, color techniques, healthy hair tips, and product education. But now you're also going to see what it really goes into building a salon from scratch. The business side, the tough decisions, the design decisions, hiring a team, creating training programs, building a culture, all of it. I honestly have no idea exactly how this story ends. We're still living it. And I think that's what makes it exciting. So, welcome back. Or if you're brand new here, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. I can't wait to share this next chapter with you. If this sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd love for you to subscribe because we've got a lot happening over the next several months. I'll see you in the next episode where I'm going to take you inside the space we're hoping will become our new salon. Thank you for being here. And always remember, when you know better, you do better. Bye, everyone.